What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video here on this channel. Today's video is going to be a lot more different, a lot more emotional and joyful as we reflect on the last 30 days of my dog's life. I did not plan on making this video. My mom showed me ring footage from the camera of us taking my dog out the past month before she passed, and I learned so much from it just by watching the past 30 days of that footage. I saw how in the beginning of the month she was perfectly normal. We did not expect for this to happen at all. We did not see it coming, and all of a sudden, like that, in the last few days, my dog got sick. We took her to the hospital and she ended up passing. We didn't expect for this to happen. 30 days ago, we did not see this coming. She was perfectly normal. You guys could tell that she did not look like she was going to be sick or pass in the next 30 days. So I learned so much from this, to never take life for granted, and life is so precious that this is why I want to tell the story. This is why I want to show the last 30 days of us taking our dog out, to hopefully inspire you guys to think differently about life, because I know I definitely did after watching this video and making this video. So here are the last 30 days my family and I got to take my dog out.
I'm a traveling spirit, I've seen many shores, from the West Pacific to the island of Kenya. They treat me like a son anywhere I go, and even though no one can tell, I still feel that I'm alone. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm alone. Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all on my own. On my own. I have learned that no one else can carry this load. It's a train where I'm the only passenger on board. Oh, there is beauty to enjoy on this road, but even so, I still feel that I'm alone. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm alone. Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all on my own. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm alone. Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all on my own. On my own.
Go Fluffy, go mama.
Lying awake with the sound of an emptiness you left behind. Trying to sleep, but the silence is haunting this room every night. Oh, I wish the sun would rise and see the clouds pass by. I didn't want to say goodbye to you, but you're gone. I don't wanna close my eyes. It feels like I'm falling down, falling down. Oh, why won't they go away? Pictures of you in my head. broke my heart. Of this morning, but it's not the same without you. Wearing the t-shirt you left, but it no longer smells like you do. I can't stand to feel this way. My body's screaming out your name. I didn't want to say goodbye to you, but you're gone. I don't wanna close my eyes. It feels like I'm falling down, falling down. Oh, why won't they go away? Pictures of you in my head. The way you left broke my heart.
And just like that, the last time my dog was walked out of the house. My mom ended up taking her to the hospital for further checkup, where she stayed 2 nights, and on the second morning we got a call from the vet saying that she went through so much pain that last night that we had to put her to sleep. So we ended up going and visiting her and proceeded with putting her to sleep. I hope from this video you guys took something from it. If you have a pet, I hope that you love them, care for them, and give them the best life that they could, because they deserve it. If you don't have a pet, I hope this video inspired you, if you want to go out and adopt a pet. There are tons of dogs waiting to be adopted. Now, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to share with friends and family and give it a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Fluffy, for giving us the best life possible. Thank you for teaching us so much. We'll see you in heaven. Peace.
Won't you save, 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 save me? Won't you save, 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 save me? I am out here alone, 'cause there's nobody left.